like fields of green I've never seen before. They take my breath away. I'm not one to lose my words, but baby, I don't know what to say. You can't begin to imagine what it's like, the way you make me feel so seen and scared at the same time. It's hard to believe that you're mine, 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 oh mine. You're mine, you're mine, mine, you're mine, oh mine, mine. In my life, baby, don't need much, a little bit of sun, a lot of your love could never make me sad. When you look at me like that, and even when I'm spinning out of control, when I'm with you nothing matters at all. My worries fade to black when you look at me like that. Look at you, you with your emerald eyes like fields of green I've never seen before. They take my breath away. I'm not one to lose my words, but baby, I don't know what to say. You can't begin to imagine what it's like, the way you make me feel so seen and scared at the same time. It's hard to believe that you're mine, 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 oh mine. Baby, you're mine, oh mine. In my life, baby, don't need much, a little bit of sun, a lot of your love could never make me sad. When you look at me like that.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 15, 8, 9, 1, 2, back on my shoes, 3, 4, close the door, 5, close the door.
Close the door, close the door. 3, 4, close the door. Close the door na. Here's my breakfast. Yung aking egg roll, nilagyan ko ng mayonnaise and ketchup sa loob. So, ito yung akin. Ito yung una kong gawa na hindi siya nag-stick. So, ako na yung kakain. Ito yung baon ni Mishka na pack na. I'm loving the vibes here in our kitchen kasi pumapasok yung liwanag dito. Ito yung wala kami sa dating bahay. Doon sa dati naming dining room, kailangan mo talagang magpaandar ng ilaw. Dito, libre na kami sa ilaw. Then sa kitchen, pag mapasok ka sa kitchen, hindi talaga pwedeng hindi nakabukas yung ilaw. Kasi madilim doon guys, kasi nasa likuran talaga siya. And dito, yung sunlight pumapasok talaga dito sa loob ng bahay. And I'm very happy. Ito yung isa sa gusto ko kasi yung aking mga halaman, kahit dito lang sa loob ng bahay, meron silang sunlight na nakukuha. Kahit dito, sa aming lababo. So yeah, ito yung gustong-gusto ko.
One guava.
One guava? Come on. I have to wash it. Tell them what you are eating.
Guava.
Guava. Yung kanyang oats, half lang yung kanyang nakain, and she wants guava na. Okay, then we can eat musami because we still have so many musami. Sit down. Daming toys dito sa aming dining palagi. Guava, healthy or not healthy?
Healthy.
Healthy. Apple, healthy or not healthy?
Not healthy.
Not healthy? Apple is healthy.
Okay.
Soda,
No.
not healthy.
I'm bored.
Yeah. Coffee,
No.
not healthy. Rice. Egg, healthy. Orange,
Healthy.
healthy. Banana,
Healthy.
Healthy. Vegetables. Vegetables, healthy or not healthy?
Healthy. Copy me.
You are copying me.
Copy me.
Meron pala yan silang exam, guys. Next week. But she knows already, like, yung kanilang pointers. A to letter F, they have to identify. It's not a written assessment or examination. Alam niya naman yung letter A to letter F. 1 up to 3. We have to identify square and circle. And yung mga vehicles. Lab. I'll ask you questions. Identifying the colors red and blue pa pala. Alam naman niya yan. Who are the members of the family? Who are the members of the family? Mother.
Mother, father,
Sister.
Brother, baby.
Baby. Walang baby. Grandmother. Lola is? Lola is what? Lola is grandmother. Lolo is? Lolo is what? Good. Lolo is grandfather. Which vehicles we see on the road?
Cars.
And what else?
Motorbike.
Motorbike. Very good. What else?
Auto.
Auto. What else?
Bike.
Bike. What else?
Bicycle.
Bicycle. Very good. And what else? And you like to ride auto.
I like auto.
Yeah, you like auto. You like riding in auto. What is the big one?
Okay.
No, what is the big vehicle on the road? Bus.
Bus.
Don't forget the bus, okay? And examples for water transport. Water transport in the water. Wala na sa attention. Tingnan na lang natin. Pero I think alam naman niya yan. Inaalala ko, meron silang mga books ng ganito. So, yan siguro yung napag-aaralan nila sa school. Are you listening to your teacher, Labla?
Yes.
No. It's already 9:10. Still have 20 minutes. Kung maghatid sa kanya kasi si Abhi umalis na kasi by 9:15 daw meron silang meeting. So, dapat sa opisina na siya. Eat properly. Ano na, ha? Tapos na siya sa guava now. She wants musami. Ayoko yung namimix yung gusto niyang kainin. Kasi yung isa, hindi niya uubusin. Unlike pag pa-isa-isa lang, ubusin niya muna yung una kong binigay, tsaka yung pangalawa. Here na. Is this healthy or not healthy?
Healthy.
Healthy. Is it sweet or sour?
I like a long one.
You like the long one. Come on, let's go.
Mommy,
The baby is sleeping.
baby's ready.
Side.
Baby, it's not now.
Yeah.
It's too morning.
No, she is not crying. Babalik ako dito sa baba kasi lilinisin ko itong sasakyan, tapos lalagyan ko ng cover kasi nga nagtatrabaho sila dito. May mga tumatalsik-talsik na mga semento siguro yan, so kailangan ko siyang takpan. Buti na ngayon guys, meron na kaming parking space dito. Meron pang isang sasakyan dito na nagpa-park sa likuran namin. At least kami dito sa unahan. Kuha lang ako ng susi and then ng trapo para malinis ko ito. Kita nyo ba? Linisin ko yan. Kailangan ko din pasok dito ng konti yung sasakyan, sabi ni April. Oh my gosh. Ayan, oh.
Sat on a blue box, read him some of my new poems. Delilah snapped the shutter on her new camera. We were frozen, old statues taking time for sweeter things in life. Not sure we've ever had
This one.
Looking back, flipping pages, waiting for the sun to come up. Thinking back, it's been ages, didn't know it would give up. A day for building forts and trees, sing a song to the buzzing bees. Hop on our bikes, head down to the store to buy candy. Let it melt there on our tongues. Laugh till we felt it in our lungs. Not sure we've ever had that kind of time again. Looking back, flipping pages, waiting for the sun to come up. Thinking back, it's been ages, didn't know when we would give up. Was it a dream, my love? Remember me, just as I
Malinis na
was.
siya guys. Ang bilis niyang matuyo, so pwede ko na siyang takpan. exactly 11:30 ako natapos maglinis. And then habang nakasalang yung aking sinaing, maliligo ako. And mga isang oras, susunodin ko na din si Mishka. Sunduan na naman. Perfect talaga yung aking timing. Tara, let's. Nagdala na ako ng payong. Kasi mainit na. Kung kailan ako nagdala ng payong, saka naman hindi uminit. Gawa mo. Very good! Mimi ate her food. Ito lang yung natira. Good job. Half siguro yung nakain niya, pero yung cucumber guys, ubos. Daddy's home for lunch.
I went for Ibni Hum, it's really good.
Where? Ibni Resort.
Basic starts from 25,000.
OMG.
Maybe you have eaten, love?
Yeah, she has eaten good.
Sweetie?
Yes.
What you have done in school, love? What you have done, Rani? Ranu? Rani? What teacher has taught you? What? Careful. What teacher has taught you? What you have done, Rani, Betty? Tell me na, Rani.
So, ang dami naming ulam. Kasi marami din kaming tira from yesterday. Nag-pumpkin curry ako yesterday. So, may natira pa. Yung okra, nagluto ako para kay Mishka. And pakora. And ito, dal. Meron pa akong niluluto na pakora dun sa sa kalan. Good. Kain tayo.
Look at you, you with your emerald eyes like fields of green I've never seen before. They take my breath away. I'm not one to lose my words, but baby, I don't know what to say. You can't begin to imagine what it's like. The way you make me feel so seen and scared at the same time. It's hard to believe that you're mine, 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 oh mine. You're mine, you're mine, you're mine.
Careful, okay?
Bye, Daddy. Mimi, Daddy's going na.
Bye, Betty.
Ay, Daddy. Tingnan niyo yung kanyang play area dito ngayon. Oh, tinambak niya pala dito lahat ng mga gamit-gamit. Yung kanyang mga laruan. What did you do? Ay? You have to clean it up later, okay? Lalabas muna kami mag-scooter sa labas. Bye, baby Jasmine. It's 6 in the evening. Kahapon, hindi kami nakapag-walking kasi umuulan. So, ngayon, dahil maganda yung weather, labas tayo.
I see someone throw a dress.
Oh, no. That's not nice. You should not throw garbage outside the house, okay? Where should we throw the garbage?
Dustbin.
Dustbin. Very good. Katatapos lang naming maghapunan. Busog na busog ako. So mag-walking ako while we're going to watch movie. Movie night na naman because it's weekend. Friday night aragay. Sabi kasi mag-exercise din yan. So dalawa kami mag-exercise, walking. Ako mag-walking lang kasi busog na busog talaga ako.
Show me.
Fix it. Where is the box? Don't fix it.
Where did you put the box now? Come here na po. So we'll say good night na guys.
Thank you. Bye.